Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I am so excited. We are back in business with another unboxing. I know, I feel like I'm literally turning into like a witchy unboxing channel, and like that's not the goal and that's not what's happening. Like, you know, I definitely enjoy my vlogs and my educational stuff, but this has been a fun time. Like, I've been looking at so many different boxes and like, it is so exciting. So today is one, I had somebody comment on my video like a couple weeks ago that I should try it, and I was already in the process of like getting ready to try it, so I'm excited that you guys are into this. So this is the Mindful Souls box, you guys, and I will put all the information as always over here for anyone curious, and I will always link things in the description for anyone who wants to get them. So this is what the box looks like. It's pretty, I'd say medium sized, I guess, compared to what I usually get. I'd say it's like a little bit above average, maybe. I think it's a bit bigger than my Goddess Provisions and Witchy one, so I am just interested to see what's inside. This is my favorite part, lifting it. I'm like, this is exciting. Let the reveal begin. Ah! Okay. This is so fun. I hope you guys are having fun, because like I'm having so much fun with these videos. So little welcome card. Mindful Souls, welcome to the Mindful Souls community. Our goal is to help people begin or enhance their spiritual practice, as well as gain spiritual peace and fulfillment. We hope you really enjoy your first mindful box. And then they have a little quote: the little things, the little moments, they aren't little. Dramatic. So, oh, there's the peeks. I don't want to peek. I hate peeking. It actually makes me so upset, so you guys can peek if you'd like. I am going to pick up what I see first and then try to find it on the list without looking at the other things. First thing is this little sticker. I don't know, people are so into stickers right now. I think it's pretty cute. It's a cool sticker. I like the design. I'm a fan of like the lotus and the eye vibe. A little affirmation card. It says, affirmation for creativity. My unique and creative talents and abilities flow through me. That's nice. I like that. Big sacral chakra energy, big solar plexus. That's really cute. I love that a lot. I like that. I actually have on my window, I've been putting up my like meditation cards, because Witchy one gives a lot of like meditation cards or whatever, and I love these affirmation cards. So I've been putting up like little cards on my windowsill by my meditation pillow, so that's cute. I don't think that's on there, like the list, but let's go ahead and jump in. First thing is this Rosemary Aroma Oil, and it says, considered sacred, rosemary is one of the most powerful herbs and essential oils on the planet. Native to the Mediterranean, the wooded evergreen has been used in folk medicine for thousands of years to improve memory, soothe digestive issues, uses, I think they meant issues, soothe digestive uses, I don't know, relieve muscle aches and pains. It is also known for its anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties. I think I have some rosemary oil. I think it was one of the first ones I ever got, but that is pretty cool. It is, there's like no information on there, like ingredients or anything, but I'm sure it's just the oil and needs to be like diluted and stuff. Because I never know, sometimes it is like pre-diluted and sometimes you have to dilute it, so I'm gonna go ahead and guess that it needs to be diluted still. But that is cute. It doesn't say price or anything on here. Ooh. This is a bag. I'm feeling it. And this definitely is a bracelet. This definitely feels like a bracelet. Open it up. Oh. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, and it has a little elephant. Wait, look, you guys. Can you see the elephant? It says white turquoise and lava stone bracelet. This looks like howlite to me. I wonder if howlite is the same thing as white turquoise. That is crazy. It says turquoise has long been considered a master healer, said to assist the absorption of nutrients while strengthening the immune system and stimulating tissue regeneration. Black lava beads is an igneous volcanic rock that is basically molten lava that is solidified under intense pressure and heat. It is a stone of strength, fire, passion, and courage that brings stability through changes in your life. It helps you to harness the power of the fire within. Lava beads are porous and can even absorb the oil of your choice. And then they suggest applying essential oils onto it. And that is something I like to do. I have a lava bead bracelet already, and I think that's really cool. But yeah, I'll have to check out, see if howlite is the same thing as white turquoise, because this looks just like howlite to me. And I just love the elephant on there. That's really, really cute. I'm a big fan of that. Okay, I'm just gonna grab the next thing I see, which is this cute little dream catcher keychain. And it says, dream catchers originated with a group of natives from North America. It was said that dream catchers caught any harm that might be in the air. As a spider's web, it catches and holds whatever comes in contact with it. So hang it or wear it. Dream catchers are things that bring in positivity and life and peace of mind. I don't know about you guys, but growing up in the Midwest, like, dream catchers have always been a huge thing. And I've always had them. I have two. I have one on my front door and then one by my bed. And this is really cute. I might put this in my car or something. I think that'd be really cute. Yeah. Next thing is the tiniest little Buddha figure. It's kind of cute. I actually have a Buddha that sits on my kitchen table that I got when I first started, like, my spiritual witchy journey. And I got it because my sister-in-law had one that looked the exact same, and I was like, I have to have the same vibe. But I really love it. And it says, this figurine... Oh, I'm gonna start again. It says, this figurine is for people who are either looking for peace and calm in their lives or for those who wish to improve their own meditation skills. The silhouette of the figurine is shaped more or less like a triangle, which represents stability. A Buddha is one who has attained bodhi. I don't know, bodhi. I don't know if that's the right way to say it. And by bodhi is meant wisdom, an ideal state of intellectual and ethical perfection which can be achieved by man through purely human means. The term Buddha literally means enlightened one, a knower. That's really cute. This is kind of cute. I might have this, like, by my bookshelf. I think he'd be a cute addition there. Okay. Next thing, we got two more things, you guys. This is a pretty 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. So more or less. I'm trying to think how many you get, like, in, like, Goddess Provisions or something, just because I've had that for so long. I think this is maybe a little bit less than you get in Goddess Provisions, but then again, they do, like, their digital bonus, so maybe that's what I'm thinking. Aw, you guys. Look at that. It's a little rose quartz tower. That's really cute. That's pretty big too, honestly. It says, Rose Quartz Pointer Crystal. Stone of the Heart, a crystal of unconditional love and infinite peace. It is the most important crystal for the heart and the heart chakra. Teaching the true essence of love, it purifies and opens the heart at all levels and brings deep inner healing and self-love. It is calming, reassuring, and excellent for use in trauma or crisis. Rose quartz gently draws off negative energy and replaces it with loving vibes. Carry it with you, meditate with it, lay with it on your body, or place it in your space. This is really, 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 really cute. I love rose quartz so much, you guys. I always say, like, I want a rose quartz in every single room in my house, and, like, I definitely can. At this point, I have enough of them. I just think they're really cute, and I don't know, I love them. Do you guys like the vibe today? I was just looking at myself, and I was like, I look out of place, kind of. I'm, like, very casual. And I think there's just one more thing. And I did peek just now. I did just now peek because I looked to see if it was the last thing. And this is pretty exciting. Let me pull it out. This is the Pendulum Amethyst necklace, and that is cool. It has, like, beads on it. It says, Amethyst is one of the most spiritual stones, promoting love and encouraging selflessness and spiritual wisdom. Mentally, it helps you feel less scattered, more focused, and in control of your faculties. Ooh. Tap into the energy of Amethyst to fuel your determination with inspiration. Remind yourself that you can achieve anything you set out to achieve with the help of clarity of Amethyst. Make tuning into the energy of Amethyst the first of many healthy choices in your life. I don't know why I'm struggling so much reading today, but please bear with me. Wow. This is really cute. I'm a big Amethyst fan, obviously. And I was thinking while I was reading that's probably why I was stuttering. I think they give you, I don't think it's a monthly box. Like, I think it's like, this is everyone's first box, I'm pretty sure. And then, like, everyone has the same second box. And with that in mind, I think this is a really cool beginner box, because I do think that Amethyst and Rose Quartz are, like, in my opinion, like 2 of definitely like your basic crystals that you get when you first start. And like a little jewelry piece and your little Buddha figure and essential oil. Rosemary is super like staple essential oil. So I think this is a really cool beginner box. I definitely like, none of this was like new to me by any means, just because like I've been in the game for a hot minute. But I do think it's really cool. I'm actually so vibing this rose quartz tower. I don't know. I'm really having fun with it. So yeah, what did you guys think? Did you guys like this? Was it like cool? Did you guys like it? Let me know what you guys thought in the comments. I thought this was pretty cool. Like I said, I think this is a really cool like beginner box. And I'll put the price and everything over there again just for you guys, because I don't actually remember what it is right now. So that is so cool. Let me know what you guys thought, if you guys liked it, if you're gonna get it, what you think, if there's any other boxes you think I should try and check out. Like I said, lasting thoughts, I think this is very, you know what it kind of reminds me of? It kind of reminds me of Lunarly a bit, where it's like I said, like it's not super, like I said with Lunarly, like it's not super witchcrafty like a lot of the other boxes are. This feels very like openly spiritual and like more mindful, I guess, and like just more of that like new age like spirituality, like basic stuff, rather than like specifically occulty or like witchcrafty. So I think that's a good explanation. And again, like this is really good, I think, for beginners, because I think this is a good, like, gives you a nice little bit of everything you kind of need when you very first start it. So that's pretty cool, yeah. Again, let me know what you guys think, and I will see you all next time.